Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Photo app tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add multiple photos to your album in your Google Photo backup, safe and secure. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Google Photo apps. Having opened up your Google Photo app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to the album. And for that, go ahead and click on collection right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your album. Select the albums that you want to add photo to. So for instance, this particular album right here. Just like so, we have all the album right here. So for us to add additional photo to the album, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. So go ahead and select as much as possible. So I'm going to select all this. Just like so. Once you select all the photo, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add. And with that, all the photo will be uploaded and successfully added. You can see 9 items added and successfully added to your Google Photo personal album right here. So the more you scroll down, you're going to see the photo that was just added into the album right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photo app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.